Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to easily request money from a friend inside of the Venmo app. And after that, we'll also look at where to see past requests that are still pending. Apps like Venmo, Cash App, Google, or Apple Pay are getting more and more popular and easier to use. I use Venmo a lot when I'm picking up multiple tickets to a show, for instance, and having my friends pay me back through there. To do this, open the Venmo app and then tap the icon on the lower left. Once on this screen, tap Pay or Request. Next, search for the contact at the top or enter their Venmo username, phone number, or email. On the next page, enter the amount that you're requesting. Below that, you have to enter what the request or payment is for. Next, tap the privacy setting on the lower right above Pay. Here you can set who's able to see your activity in the Venmo feed. I default mine to private. Once you're finished, hit request and then again on the green confirm to send the money request. It will then send you back to the activity feed where if you've made it public or visible to friends, everyone will be able to see it here. Finally, to view open requests that you've sent that haven't been paid, tap your account icon on the lower right. Inside of here, tap the history icon in the middle on the right. You'll then see the incomplete requests and payments from your account. And that's how you request money from friends inside of the Venmo app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.